Hey everyone, this is Shauna with Love Meets Cake, and today I'm going to show you how to make caramel Starbucks Frappuccino berries. So first you're going to wash, dry, and keep your strawberries in the refrigerator cold because the caramel is going to stick better to the berries when they are cold. Now we're going to take a pot and we're going to put 3/4 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of light brown sugar, half a cup of light corn syrup, and 3 tablespoons of butter. We are going to boil that on medium-low until it's melted, and we are going to bring the temperature to 245 degrees. Okay, so now that it has reached 245 degrees, we're going to take it off the heat, and then now we are going to bring the temperature back down to about 175 degrees to 180 degrees for dipping the berries. Now, while it is cooling, I'm actually taking some chocolate. We melted it in the microwave. And I'm going to take a couple berries here, however many you want to be the chocolate ones. We're going to dip that in the chocolate, but you're not going to dip it all the way because these we are going to pour out the center of the strawberry. Now, me personally, it stresses me out to try to do a deep pour. So I kind of do a light one, whatever you're comfortable with, because sometimes as you're digging that knife into the berry, it starts breaking apart. So I don't want to take too much out of the center. Now, once I did that, I piped some cream cheese into the center. Now for the cream cheese filling, there's so many different ways you can do it. Matter of fact, I change it up about every time I do it. It's pretty much you're just taking powdered sugar, some cream cheese, some vanilla extract, you're mixing it together. Sometimes I even use a little bit of cheesecake pudding to put in there. It's just super simple, and I'll put a basic one in the description bar. But anyways, you're going to pipe the berries with the cream cheese. You can take a little bit more chocolate and do some chocolate drizzle over the top. Alright, so now the caramel has been brought down to about 175 degrees for dipping. Look at that caramel drizzle, that caramel, yes. Here's my chilled berries. Remember, we kept it in the refrigerator so they're nice and cold. And now we are going to go for the dip. And then let these sit out on a silicone mat. It's just a lot easier to pull off on a silicone mat. Now, if you were wondering, these berries are not hard. They're firm. The caramel does dry firm, but the caramel is chewy, so you don't have to worry about breaking your teeth off. Next, if you want, you can put on some chocolate drizzle to jazz it up. Now, I have these small little pipettes, and what I'm going to do is take a little bit of caramel frappuccino, and I'm going to put those into the berry. Now these, honestly, they're just cool looking. Like whether you want to squeeze it into the berry or squeeze it into your mouth afterwards is whatever. Now these containers that I found are 8x8 containers. So, and I put a little bit of decorative wax paper down, put the berries in, voila. Easy peasy. Now the main thing to remember with these berries is you do have to keep them cold and you do have to consume them same day.